to answer the comment about opening the door and reintroducing all that dirty air, here's the step that I take before I do any PPF installation. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Eric, and in today's episode, I'm gonna be doing a follow-up video to a video that we did just over a month ago called How to Successfully Prep Your Environment for a Successful Paint Protection Film Installation. Now, in that video, we had a viewer leave a comment. I'm gonna read it. I'm also gonna have it here on the screen as well too. It says, not being argumentative here, Eric, but didn't you just undo all the cleansing and prep work by rolling up the shop door and introducing dirty air to your environment, walls and floor, question mark? And in that video, I basically cleaned the entire shop floor, made sure that there was no fans running to disturb the air and that type of stuff. And then what I did was I opened up the door, I brought the vehicle in so I could start my PPF installation. So basically that viewer had a very, very good question, and I should have thought about that when doing that video. But yes, when I'm opening that door, depending on the weather, the conditions, how much wind there is, whether it's raining, that type of stuff, it's all gonna affect the air quality inside for your paint protection film installation. Now, as you can see, we got this Cadillac Escalade here, and we're gonna be doing a bunch of PPF content with it while we're wrapping the full front end. Now, to answer the comment about opening the door and reintroducing all that dirty air, here's the step that I take before I do any PPF installation. In a situation like this, where yes, I reintroduced all that dirty air, what I would do is, I got my TruSpray keg sprayer, link in description if you wanna go check one out. Or you could just do this with a spray bottle, whatever you have. All I do is I take it, and I spray the air all around my workspace. And I let that sit for about a minute or so. What that's gonna do is it's gonna take any contamination that's circulating in the air, and it's actually gonna pull it down onto the hood of the vehicle. And then from there on, all I need to do is take my squeegee and come around and just squeegee everything off. And from there, then I can jump right into my prep where I do my alcohol wipe and get ready to do my actual PPF installation. So if you guys ever see anything in my videos that don't make sense, do what this guy did, leave a comment, ask me to clarify on it, and I'll make a video. So I'm gonna go ahead, get the rest of this all cleaned off, and then we're gonna get into our PPF install. All right, so took my squeegee, squeegeed all the moisture off. As you can see, there's still a little bit left behind. Now, what I start to do for my prep is take my lint-free glass cleaning towel. These are perfect for prepping a panel prior to PPF installs. And my isopropyl alcohol here. And I'm just gonna spray the rag, get it good and wet. And then I just come around and wipe the hood down. And then after this, I'm good to start my install. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you leave a like, leave a comment down below. Let me know what else you want to see as far as PPF content goes. And subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned for more paint protection film content coming your way.